and welcome to IFFI News. We bring to you the latest happenings at the Film Fest. But first, let's have a look at the day's headlines. Find Goa sunshine very golden, says Veena Bakshi of the Coffin Maker.
I find Goa sunshine very golden. I find the mud extremely red.
Vijay Desai surprises delegates at the IFFI venue.
पण इथून बोलवले आम्हाला म्हणून मी परमिशन घेतलं आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटचं मला डिपार्टमेंटने परमिशन दिलं.
ESG decides not to issue tickets for films next year. Delegate cards to substitute tickets at IFFI. Now the top happenings at IFFI on Tuesday. From art to filmmaking, Veena Bakshi says it was an absolute pleasure and delight to make The Coffin Maker. Veena and our own very Goan Hema Sardesai was speaking during a press conference at IFFI. Hema said this is the way she was eager to see Goa in the films. Coffin Maker is being screened at the international competition as well as the Indian Panorama section of IFFI 2013. The film is having second screening on 27th of this month.
It's been an absolute pleasure and delight writing this film and after that making it. I've been asked this question a lot of times by a lot of people, including friends, is why Goa? To me, it was very logical to have a coffin maker's story based in a small quiet village in Goa. The whole essence of the place, the whole quietude of the place, the harmony of the people, the light that is over here. I find Goa sunshine very golden. I find the mud extremely red. I've been coming to Goa as a child and it has had a great influence on me as a person. The food, everything. They've done an absolutely fantastic job on that. Hema came into the scene when we decided to have Konkani songs for the film. The film was English Konkani. And being Goa, somewhere I had this thought that no, we have to go with Konkani songs. So the first and foremost question was who's going to sing it? So I said, I know Hema Sardesai, she's from Goa, she sings Konkani and she's a brilliant singer. We were, who's going to write it? So we consulted the sound designer saying, look, this is what my plan is. But who's going to write the lyrics? He said, speak to Hema. What's wrong with you? Spoke to Hema. She saw the film. And the first day that I met when Hema went to see the film at Bapi and Tutul's studio, and I landed up a little late. And I came in, I was introduced, and the first thing Hema turned around and said, with tears in her eyes, and I was really shocked. I thought maybe she didn't like it. And she turned around and said, you know, I can smell the kitchen. Veena, it's so authentic. And of course, after that, both of us were crying. And the next day, Hema calls up saying, you know what, one song is ready. So it's been an amazing experience.
To talk about a film that somebody who's supposed to be, like we're all one actually in the world, as my Guru Sri Sri Ravi Shankar says, but somebody who's supposed to be non-Goan, Veena Bakshi, Bharat Vijan, cared about Goa, cared about Konkani in this film. When I even saw the excerpts the first time when I saw a little bit of the film, I said, this is Goa which we long to see in so many films where we feel, Arey, this is not happening here. This is not really Goan the way it's projected. And here was Goa right in my face, so beautifully done. So it was as if she's Goan. And he was supporting as if he was Goan. That is beautiful. And our Konkani, every language in India is saved so beautifully by our beautiful states. But Konkani is unsafe in Goa right now because it's like almost being forgotten in so many parts. So here are two people who are, you can say, instrumental in trying to save Konkani the way we Goans are. I thank them so much with my heart for that.
One of the most important departments behind securing the festival is police force. At the festival, we can see a lot of them stationed at various locations. Among them is Vijay Desai, who is present at the festival venues, not on duty but disguised to surprise the delegates. Watch this video as our field reporter Sachin Surlikar and video journalist Chetan Gawas make the statue speak.
फोर्थ इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल. आता इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल म्हटल्यार काय फिल्म्स सगळ्यांक याद जाता आसतली, पूण हांगासर फिल्म्सूच न्ही जाल्यार जाय तसले आनी एंटरटेनमेंट प्रोग्राम आसा आनी जाय तसले आमकां वेगवेगळे हांगासर डेकोरेशन पळोवपाक गावता. पूण म्हाज्या सायडीक सद्याक एक स्टॅच्यू आसा आनी हांव तुमकां सांगपाक सोदता की हो स्टॅच्यू न्ही जाल्यार आमी एक जितो जागतो एक मनीस पळयता हांगासर जो स्टॅच्यू सारको उबो रावला आनी सगळ्यान पयलीं ताचें नांव जाणा घेवया. हाय सर. सर तुमचें नांव?
माझं नाव विजय श्रीधर देसाई.
सर तुम्ही किती वर्ष झाले तुम्ही आता हे सगळं म्हणजे स्टॅच्यूचा हे प्रोग्राम करता?
मी 10 वर्ष झाले स्टॅच्यूचा प्रोग्राम करतो.
आणि यावर्षी तुम्हाला बोलवलं आहे मुद्दाम?
इतकीनं बोलवलं आहे मला यावर्षी.
मला सांगा आणखीन कसले कसले कॅरेक्टर तुम्ही रंगवतात?
मी 25 कॅरेक्टर रंगवतो. त्याच्यात पुढारी असतात, जसं महात्मा गांधी, सुभाषचंद्र बोस, आमचं स्वामी विवेकानंद, लाल बहादूर शास्त्री, नेहरू, भगतसिंग, त्याच्यानंतर संत तुकाराम, संत गोरा कुंभार, गजानन महाराज आणि बाकीचे सगळे गोन कल्चर. त्याच्यानंतर शिवाजी रंगवतो, नेताजी रंगवतो, तानाजी मालुसरे, असं वेगवेगळं रंगवतो.
बरं सर, आता तुम्ही जे रंगवलं आहे एकदम हुबेहू एक स्टॅच्यू सारखं दिसतंय. हे रंगवायला किती तास लागतात सर तुम्हाला?
मला फक्त हे रंगवायला 5 मिनटं पुरे होतात.
5 मिनटं?
होय, 5 मिनटात रंगतो मी.
आणि तुम्हाला कोणी हेल्प वगैरे करतो का?
नाही, स्वतःच रंगतो, स्वतःच कपडे काढायचे, स्वतःच घालायचे, सगळे एकटाच. वन मॅन शो. गोव्यामध्ये मला सगळ्या स्पर्धेमध्ये स्टेट लेवलला 120 प्राइज मिळालेले आहेत मला.
आणि लोकांचा प्रतिसाद वगैरे कसं काय मिळतो?
लोकांचा प्रतिसाद पुष्कळ मिळतो. लोकांचा प्रतिसाद अप्रतिम. लोकांचा प्रतिसाद. मी आलो की बघ लोकांना फोटो मारायचं आणि हे करायचं, बघायचं, एवढं चालूच असतं लोकांना. आणि एक पोझिशनमध्ये मी कमीत कमी 9 तास बसू शकतो. पण आता मी IFFIमध्ये आलतो, लोकांना जरा फोटो द्यायचा, पोज द्यायची, त्याला पण मी आलतो.
बरं, मग मला सांगा सर, किती काळ तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस केलं असं थांबायचं वगैरे, एका पोजमध्ये थांबायचं असं?
प्रॅक्टिस म्हणजे मी दररोज 3 वेळा मेडिटेशन करतो, सकाळी, दुपारी, संध्याकाळी.
आणि तुम्हाला कधी कळलं की तुम्ही असलं काही करू शकता, हे टॅलेंट तुमच्याकडे आहे म्हणून?
मी आमचे रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर जुजे तुलीप होते, त्यांच्या घरी मी ड्युटीला होतो. मी पोलीस डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये काम करतो, गार्ड ड्युटीला होतो तिथं. मी त्यांच्या घरी घराची त्यांची राखण करायचं आणि त्यांची घरा सगळं. तर त्यांच्या घरी हे होतं, काय होतं, आमचं न्यू इयरला आणि क्रिसमसला गेट टुगेदर होतं. सगळी फॅमिली त्यांची एककडे जमतात. आणि मग मी एक दिवशी त्यांना एक हसवायचं म्हणून मी असं सहजच तिथं मी हे केला, प्रोग्राम केला माझा. म्हणजे त्या दिवशी रंगवला नव्हता मी, डोकीचे केस काढले, बाजारातनं 2 पंचे आणले, चष्मा आणला विकत आणि मग केलं. त्याच्यानंतर मला तिथं आमचे जुजे तुलीप मिनिस्टर होते अगोदर, रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर. त्याच्यानंतर क्रितेश होता, त्याच्यानंतर आमचे DYSP साहेब महेश गावकर साहेब होते आणि कोण कोण होते लोकांनी मला तिथं बक्षिसं वगैरे दिली. मग मला कळलं की माझ्यात काहीतरी आहे.
पोलीस डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये काम करून सुद्धा ह्यासाठी टाइम काढणं तुम्हाला कसं काय होतं?
मला आमचे ऑफिसर लोक आता IFFIला सगळी यादा वगैरे बंद आहे, पण IFFIनं बोलवलं आहे आम्हाला म्हणून मी परमिशन घेतलं आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटचं. मला डिपार्टमेंटनं परमिशन दिलं आणि मग मी रजा घातली.
आणि भरपूर आणखीन कार्यक्रम तुमच्याकडून बघायचे आहे आम्हाला. थँक्यू सर, आपण आमच्याबरोबर बोललात त्यामुळे.
थँक्यू.
आमच्या पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटाकूच न्ही जाल्यार पुराय गोंयकारांक भरपूर उमेदीची गजाल आसता की आमचो गोंयचो असो एक मनीस इतलो टॅलेंटेड आसा, कमीत कमी 9 वरां ते बसपाक शकता एकाच बॅचान, एकाच पोजिशनान, आणि अशे जायते ते भेस बदलपाक शकता. आणि IFFI कडेन तुमी तांकां पळयतात जे स्टॅच्यू जावन सगळे कडेन रावतात, जायते लोक तांच्या वांगडा फोटो बीन काडटा. आनी आमकां जायते अशे एक्सपेरिमेंट तांचे कडल्यान पळोवपाक मेळटले.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. In a major decision, ESG has decided to do away with the issuing ticket of the IFFI delegates. The delegate cards will be the only identity to enter theatre to watch the movies. Prudent had highlighted the chaos happening on the ticketing system in IFFI News Bulletin. ESG Vice Chairman Wag declared this decision on media on Tuesday.
telling? They're coming with your father. You can't be You should report how many seats are there in the theatre. We must know the number of seats available there.
100%
You tell. I will call this. You call the director. Call the director first. Call Shankar Mohan. We have to enter the theatre.
Prudent had highlighted the chaos at the 44th International Film Festival of India due to the ticketing system. With Vishnu Suryawak's statement today to stop issuing tickets seems to be Prudent's impact.
So I am very seriously thinking now of dispensing away with this entire ticketing system. From next year, there will not be tickets. Your delegate pass will be your ticket. And only the thing is, you'll have to stand long, in the queue, and we'll let in everybody. Once the theatre is full, the entry will be stopped. We have seen festivals, other festivals also, wherein many stalwarts, big directors, big actors, they also stand in the queue. There is a fun in it. Standing in the queue itself is a fun, because you see so many luminaries, everybody being given equal treatment.